Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna use a video. I can also this is app which makes video text and animations which I can use in my videos, and I can put them on my videos and use them on my videos. Simple. So just write in here the text that you wanna add on your videos. So just if I will write, like, I can write anything like a video. Simple. This is not a creative thing, but I am just showing you simple. Okay, create text video. Yes, you look this. Okay, yes. So now it will show us different types of things that we will do. No thanks. Wow, there are different types of things, but if we will select our color first, colors, yellow, we'll go with only yellow color. You can see this is showing us different types of effects. This is my favorite. I have used this once I was editing a professional video for someone, and it was so much I was so much worried about doing text, and then I found this app and I have used this. Wow. And then if you have the paid version, then the watermark it should have not been coming here, but if you have not the paid version, then it is coming obviously. So I have just when I we have exported my video, then when I go to the app, then I can simply blur this. I mean remove this by blurring it. You know the way you can, if you can use any video editing app on your laptop, on your PC, on your phone, even VN, CapCut, Filmora on your PC, and you can you can easily put the mosaic blur on it and just do some settings. You should know this. You should know to blur, to how to blur and remove something a little bit which is on the side. Oh no, I think we should not need to remove this. We need to just to crop, because the text we want is not coming on this. Yes, yes, this is not coming on this. So we just need to crop our video to just the text, like, you know what I'm saying. That's like play. You can see the our text. We will just crop our video a little bit and remove this. This will not be shown on our video. And you also know how to, you should also know how to, like, how to use this text, because this has a background. If I will put this text video on my video, on any of the video that I am trying to put text on it, then it will be, it will be on, or it will come up on the video, and it will remove, and my video will not be shown, because this is another video. But you should not know the trick, that how you can show, like how you overlay, how you use overlays. If like you make, you have the different layers on your video editing app. When you get another app, you should use this as overlay. Every video editing app has a option for use overlays, and the trick is, in every app, just place this video, or your overlay on the on up the layer of the video, and make this the overlay video like change its opacity mode to screen from normal. Simple. This is so much simple. I think you are not understanding me, but if you use the video editing apps, then you have must known the most now every, and I hope that everyone, like, you are, if you are watching this video, then you want a text and you are using another video editing apps. So in every video editing app, there is always an option on the video, like on the blending mode. You know what I'm trying to say. The blending mode, it is always normal. You can do it multiply or screen mode, so your video, so your overlay will be shown to you. You can see like different overlays. You have the lens flare is on the is on the black screen, but if you place it, if you want to place the overlay of the video, then your video will not be shown because the flare has a black background, and your video will not be shown. But if you will change the opacity, the blending mode, sorry, if you will change the blending mode of the overlay video to screen, then it will be shown, the black background will be removed. And in this case the same thing will be applied. If you will change, if you will put this on your video and change this video's blending mode to screen, then this background will be removed and only this text will be appear. So you can just export this from here. So it is saved. So I hope you have liked the video. If yes, please like the video bro, subscribe my channel, and I will meet you in the next video. Bye till then.